Hey guys, Ron here. We're going to be doing some tests today. We got the GoPro Hero Black 8, some new features, testing out the time warp on it, see how that works, some stabilization as we drive, and then we're going to be helping a friend put the top back on his new badass Jeep JT, getting that put back together for him for some bad weather. Testing some of the features of the camera, and we'll come back around and circle back to talk about some of the features like the time warp and the hyper smooth video. But let's get over there, help him get his top back on, because it is raining outside here today, and I know he doesn't want to take that rig out in the rain. So let's help him get that put back on, and we'll see how this video does. See y'all soon. JT Wrangler here. 37-inch tires, 2 doors, top off. Logan's man over there, his rig. We're going to see if we can put it back together for the weather so he can drive it outside. So here we go. Hey folks, Ron here. So here we are back, concluded the test that we were running. Got the GoPro 8Black, running it with the app, really like that, seems very seamless. Also have the Hyper Smooth 2.0, seems like it's an improvement over the previous camera. And I really like the time warp, because now in the app and on the camera you can tell how much time you're going to film to set your rate of capture. So that's really nice. That's an improvement over the previous camera. So far everything looks good with the, I run a PC, so I've got CyberLink Power Director. I love that program for working with the GoPro and the other equipment. But I can't wait to get some of the equipment out on the trail, maybe see how it does on rougher terrain. I think it'll be great, but we'll take a look. Also did the review on that Jeep truck. Putting that top back on was not that bad at all. So hope you enjoy that video, and we'll have more product reviews to come, and we'll keep testing this GoPro 8. Talk to y'all soon. It's Ron. Take care.